Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful rocks painting ideas. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So viewers, so one of the most popular rock painting ideas is medlar. Medlar rock are decorated with colorful dots and beautiful circle patterns. These designs look peaceful, elegant, and perfect home decoration space. And viewers, another lovely idea is a paint flower on smooth rocks. Rose, sunflower, daisy, tulips create bright and cheerful decoration. Flower inspired rocks look wonderful in garden, flower pots, and indoor display. Animal designs are always fun. You can paint ladybug, butterfly, bees, owl, turtle, fox, or colorful birds. These cute rocks are loved by both children and their friends. Nature-inspired rocks are also very popular. Pink green leaves, tree, mountain, river, sunset, or blue sky. This design brings the beauty of nature into your home and friends. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers, so Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Friends, take care and